Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your iPad meets the basic requirement, iPad OS 14 or later. Once confirmed, open the video in the app or Safari and begin playback so the system recognizes the stream. Next, tap the Pi-P icon if visible. If not, make a deliberate swipe up to the home gesture to force the app into the background. You're doing this because Pi-P uses a background video engine. Making playback active first ensures the window can detach and appear as a floating pane. Once the floating window appears, you'll position and size it for productivity. Drag the Pi-P to a corner where it won't hide UI you need because placement affects multitasking comfort. Use a 2-finger pinch to resize, smaller for less distraction, larger for clarity, and tap the window to reveal playback controls. Make sure to learn the expand control. It returns the video to full screen. Understanding these gestures matters because Pi-P preserves playback while you switch apps or keep using split view. To finish, either tap expand to return the video to its host app or hit X to close Pi-P and stop playback. Both are deliberate so you don't lose context. You can also combine Pi-P with split view or slide over to work and watch simultaneously, which is why mastering gestures is useful. If Pi-P doesn't appear, make sure the app supports Pi-P, update iPad OS, and verify settings. If that fails, force close the app and reopen the video, because many issues clear with a restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.